In this video, we will see what Canny Edge Detector is and how to use Canny Edge Detector in Google Earth Engine. Edge detection is a technology to identify boundaries in an image using the sharp endings. It is usually used in object detection, image segmentation, and feature extraction. It is also used in facial recognitions and other detection algorithms. The algorithm is named after John F. Canny. He developed this algorithm in 1986. Canny Edge Detector is known for its ability to detect a wide range of edges in images with low noise. Let's see an example. In this image, the edge of this circle has sharp pixels, and those pixels will be identified as edge, like this in the red border. This algorithm will be used to detect the edge. Google Earth Engine has default Canny Edge Detector algorithm, which we can use as a function. Now let's go to the code editor and select a place where we will be using our algorithm. Let's move to a place. Okay, let's select the Palm Jumeirah. Turn on the satellite view. Now let's make a polygon of our area of interest. Our polygon is drawn. Let's hide this from the view. Now let's go for the code. First, let's add the sentinel image. For that, we need to make a variable. Let's name it image, and e.image collection is used to load sentinel image, and then filter by filter bounds, and we will use our geometry, that is our area of interest. Then filter with date. We will filter from January 1st 2023 to 31st December 2023. And then filter with cloudy pixel percentage. We will use less than 3. That's why it is e.filter.lt, means less than. We will allow cloud coverage up to 3%, and then we will use the median value, and finally we need to clip our image to our area. Now let's compute the NDVI value for our image. We need to make a variable. Let's name it NDVI, and we will use normalized difference function, that is default function in Earth Engine. And B8, band 8 is near infrared and band 4 is red. We will use those bands to calculate our NDVI. Now let's detect the edge using Canny Edge Detector. We make a variable named Canny, and the algorithm is used ee.algorithms.Canny Edge Detector, and we pass NDVI value. The Canny Edge Detector function takes 3 arguments. One is image, and second one is threshold, and third one is sigma. The default value for sigma is 1, so we can skip that. We can only pass image and threshold. In the threshold, we need to pass a value. The pixel is only considered for edge detection if gradient magnitude is higher than this threshold. Sometimes we need to fix that using trial and error. Now we need to mask the image with itself so that the areas with no edges will be removed. We can do that using update mask function, and within the update mask we need to pass the Canny detected image itself. Now let's center the map to our geometry and then add the layer to our map. Let's add NDVI first. The minimum value of NDVI is 0 and maximum value is 1. Let's name it NDVI, and then let's add another layer, that is our Canny layer, and its minimum value is also 0 and maximum value is 1, and we will pass the red color as the palette, and let's name it Canny Edges. Now let's run the code to see how it looks. We can see that the algorithm has detected the edge almost correctly, since it uses the pixel value to identify the edge. It may not 100% correct if there is no sharp pixels. We can use this Canny algorithm for various purposes. Thanks for watching.